6 Medical advantages of drinking beet juice. Good wellspring of sustenance. Beets are great wellsprings of supplements, including folate, potassium, amyloscorbic acid, fiber, iron, cancer prevention agents, nitrates. Improving pulse. Studies propose that beetroot can assist with bringing circulatory strain due down to its nitrate content. Enormous amounts of nitrates get changed over into nitric oxide, which enlarges the veins and diminishes generally pulse. Nitrates assist with keeping up with the internal coating of the veins, preventing frailty. Beets are plentiful in iron, a mineral fundamental for the vehicle of oxygen in the body. Lack of iron can prompt iron paleness, which can cause side effects, for example, windedness, dazedness, weariness, cerebral pain. Improved athletic execution. Nitrates and betalains, which give beets their red tone, in beetroot might help athletic execution. As per a 2017 deliberate survey, beets can increment bloodstream and oxygen to the muscles and further develop practice productivity in competitors. Anti-provocative. Studies propose that the betalan intensifies in beets might go about as cell reinforcements and battle irritation. These properties forestall cell harm and lower the gamble of creating incendiary circumstances, like coronary illness and malignant growth. Supports your liver. Cell reinforcements. Vitamin A, vitamin B6, and Press assist with safeguarding your liver from oxidative pressure and backing your liver's capacity to eliminate poisons from your body.